Hey everyone, Andrew Loveland here with kind of another LoveTech video in a way. I'll explain a little bit more in a minute about that. Anyways, today we're going to be painting a wall in our office, and I'm going to be redoing our studio a little bit. So as you may notice, there are a few new things in our studio that I do want to get to showing you today before we start our painting project. After our painting project, I'm going to be getting some new desks in here as well, some sit-stand desks, so we'll be able to make better review videos here on the channel for you guys, so I'm super excited about that. But first, let me take you on a little bit of a tour of the office right now. It is kind of a mess, so to say, but again, we're kind of tearing it apart to make it even better for future videos. Okay guys, I'm going to give you a quick tour of our studio environment here, and then I'm going to talk about a few new things that I've got over the past couple of weeks and some more new stuff that's going to be coming. So I have a double door that leads into the office. I store kind of all of my camera equipment back in this corner when I'm not using it. That way the office itself is a little bit more open, that is. I got some cool metal art back here, and I'm gonna actually do more of a video on some of the artwork and some of the stuff in my studio once we get it a little bit more put back together. But I do want to kind of show you an overall picture of like the befores and what it's going to look like afterwards. You'll notice in here, ever since we got rid of the carpet out of our studio, we've actually put hardwood floors in right after we moved into our house, that it's really echoey in our office. So what I've done is actually got some audio foam panels and have actually put them along the top of 3 different walls at the top here. And that kind of helps reduce the echo, an overall echo in the office. So I'm super excited about that. Over here on this wall, I have a computer that does weather data and everything. I can hook it up to other stuff as well. I'll go into more detail on that in a different video. You'll notice here, this is the table I currently am doing reviews on. Again, I am going to be getting a couple new desks, and so I'm not going to be using this cheap table with like a cloth on the top of it anymore. It's going to be a much nicer looking desk, and I'll be able to sit or stand when I'm doing review videos, so I'm super excited for that. Over here, this is a couple new things as well I wanted to show you. So I got this new lamp off of Amazon for like 38 bucks. It's like super cool looking. So I'm actually going to be getting a better Edison bulb for it in the upcoming months, so I'm really excited about that. It just kind of adds a little bit more glam, I should so say, to the office experience, and I'm going to be actually moving that over to one of my desks once I get the new desks in. I also bought this little fake plant off of Amazon just to kind of add some greenery. I unfortunately kill like literally everything I put in my office, or in our house for that matter, when it comes to plants, so I need to get a fake plant. So I got one. I'm gonna hopefully get a couple more in the future. And then over here is my computer setup, and I'll go into more detail on what I use and my equipment and everything in a different video, as I kind of mentioned before. But again, I'll be getting a bigger desk to replace this desk here, so I'll be able to do a sit-stand desk in front of the window as well, so it'll actually provide me more room for editing videos and content in the future. And I have a couple of pairs of studio monitors and a subwoofer down there. I'll go into more details on those in a later video as well. And then I'll pan over here, and then this is the giant wall. When you're walking in here, this is the giant wall on this side that I'm actually doing all my video content creation in front of. So I'm actually gonna be painting this a super nice color. It's gonna be like a tealish blue color. I love teal and obsessed with it. And it's gonna go really good with this like kind of beigeish brown color. It's gonna be a really nice complementary color to that. So I'm super excited to get painting the wall here. And this is the color we're going to be painting this wall. It is called Exotic Sea. It is a Velspar paint from Lowe's, eggshell finish, which I believe is what the rest of the walls in here are. So I was trying to match the sheen of the walls in the current studio. So guys, that's a quick look at the pre-renovation, so to speak, of our studio. So I'm super excited again, and I'll be doing some more check-ins here in just a little while. Hey guys, so I just finished painting. The paint is still drying, so I'm super excited to show you guys kind of what the studio looks like now. So let's take a look at it, and again, I'll keep posting more updates as it rolls along. All right guys, are you ready for the big reveal? All right, here we go. So, ooh, Ooh, it's blue. It's so pretty. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Look how beautiful it is. I haven't even taken the painter's tape off yet because it is still drying, as I mentioned before, but oh my gosh, it looks so fantastic. Look at the contrast differences. It's like the three colors in a room now. The white ceilings, the beige walls, and now this blue accent wall in here, and it looks absolutely phenomenal. It absolutely pops against your skin tone, so I'm super looking forward to being able to shoot more content here in the near future with this painted now. It's gonna be awesome. So you guys might be wondering, what else am I going to be doing to the studio? So I am planning on, in the next few weeks, getting 2 new desks in here, being able to produce content while kind of shooting back here towards my computers, but having a sitting/standing environment to be able to produce more content. Is going to look phenomenal, and of course I'm going to keep enhancing it as we go along as well too. So I'm also going to be getting new lighting, so let me show you that here really quick. So this is the lighting material I actually use right now. I use some old umbrella lights. These are LED bulbs that I put in here, but they do an okay job lighting up the room, but I'm actually going to be purchasing some new LED panel lights that are gonna have shadow boxes around them like this, so it'll actually disperse the light a lot nicer than these will do, and they'll take up a lot less room because these 2 umbrella lights take up a lot of room. So I'm looking forward to getting those as well, so I'll keep you guys updated out here on the channel.